Whether it be the oldest and largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, or one that originated as a meme, Dogecoin, cryptocurrencies have hit the market by storm this year. Before investing in any company or coin, you must know about it and its background. What about cryptocurrency? Do you know about it? Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. Are you looking for a side hustle? Some passive income? To get started as a freelancer? Or perhaps to even start your own business entirely from home? Whatever your needs, we provide the best guides, hints, tips and informative content for your money-making journey. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos, and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. If you want to know how to invest in cryptocurrency, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about cryptocurrency in 2022. Now let's get into it. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a method of payment for products and services that can be exchanged online. Many companies have produced their own currencies, which may be traded exclusively for the goods or services provided by the company. In order to access the goods or services, you have to convert true dollars for cryptocurrency. It eliminates the need for a middleman, such as a bank, and lets buyers and sellers conduct business directly with one another. Remember that there's somebody losing their whole life's savings to every person who made Bitcoin overnight, so if you aren't willing or able to tolerate high-risk, extremely volatile investments with the potential for high benefits and losses, then you might not be able to use cryptocurrency investment. Cryptocurrency mining. Cryptocurrency mining is the process of obtaining a reward for confirming transactions on a blockchain. A transaction is encrypted when it is added to a block on the blockchain. As a result, before the blockchain can continue adding transactions to the next block, these transactions must be checked for accuracy. This is where miners enter the picture. Miners utilize their computational capacity to solve complicated mathematical problems in order to validate transactions in a blockchain block. The miner who solves the problem and verifies all of the transactions in a block is rewarded for their efforts. Major coins to invest. As you know, there are some products or things on which everyone had their eyes on. So, if we talk about cryptocurrency, there are some coins on which everyone wants to invest. Here are the name of those major coins to invest in as they have good market capitalization. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, USD Coin, Polkadot, Uniswap. How to buy cryptocurrency. While certain cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, are available for buying with US dollars, others require you to pay on Bitcoins. You need a wallet, an internet application that holds your currency, to purchase cryptocurrencies. You generally create an exchange account, and you can then move real money to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum cryptocurrency. As a beginner, everyone has the same question of what should be their first step. The crypto market, like the stock market, is extremely volatile, which means that values will rise and fall in an unpredictable manner. It is only prudent to invest in cryptocurrency after ensuring that you have enough liquid funds to last at least 6 months without incurring any debts. Choose a cryptocurrency. Yes, there are multiple cryptocurrencies on the market right now, each with a distinct pricing point. However, it is not wise to grab the opportunity and invest in 5 different minor cryptocurrencies. To choose the best crypto coin, you must do a lot of research. Choose the best cryptocurrency exchange. It is essentially a marketplace where you may buy, sell, or hold your crypto assets. These crypto exchanges are specifically built to manage cryptocurrencies and their volatile nature, similar to how banks and other financial institutions are designed to lend money, hold money, and give mortgages. Cryptocurrency wallet. Many people confuse crypto wallets with cryptocurrency storage, but in reality, they only allow you to access your cryptocurrency on the blockchain via a crypto address known as the key. Without the key, a crypto transaction cannot be completed. Is cryptocurrency legal? There is no doubt that they are lawful in the United States, however China has effectively prohibited their use, and whether they are legal ultimately depends on each individual country. Consider how to protect yourself from fraudsters that see cryptocurrencies as a way to defraud investors. Where to buy cryptocurrency? One downside of purchasing bitcoins is that they are not available in all traditional financial outlets. Banks and financial brokerage businesses do not provide them. You'll be limited to buying, holding, and selling cryptocurrencies on specific cryptocurrency exchanges. Binance US, Coinbase, eToro, Gemini, Robinhood, Sophie Active Investing, TradeStation, Webull, Unify Money. Always educate yourself, understand the consequences, and all possible outcomes, and never make an investment until you are completely confident in your decision. Cryptocurrency benefits. As everything in this world has pros and cons. Here are some of the benefits to invest and trade in cryptocurrency. Transactions that are faster and less expensive. Dealings that are secure and secret. Financial independence for the unbanked. International trade is accelerating. Risks in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies, like anything else in life, come with their own set of risks. Either you trade cryptos, invest in them, or simply hold them for the future, you must first examine and comprehend the risks. Volatility and a lack of regulation are two of the most discussed Bitcoin hazards. Volatility reached an all-time high in 2017, when the prices of most major cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, surged beyond 1,000% before dropping. However, as the cryptocurrency craze has subsided, price fluctuations have grown more predictable, mirroring the patterns of stocks and other financial assets. Another key concern in the industry is regulations. For cryptocurrency investors, both a lack of regulation and exposure to rules can pose risks. Knowing the world of cryptocurrencies will take time, so don't put too much pressure on yourself to become an expert on day one. It takes time, effort, and ongoing learning to figure out how to maximize the potential of your virtual currency, whether you want to utilize them for trading or everyday transactions. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about how to invest in cryptocurrency as a beginner. Would you like to give investing a try? Get involved, and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting, remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also, subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.